Hi sir, I'm Manivannan Ganagadhurga and I'm studying second year of medicine. Your name and age please?
Money, age 45.
Okay, today I'm going to examine the motor function of upper and lower extremities.
Okay.
Assess the motor system, focus on body movements and other involuntary movements. Inspect the muscles for size and counter of muscle and the muscle look flat or concave suggesting atrophy. Atrophy of hand muscles with normal aging. While looking for atrophy, pay attention to hands, shoulders, and thighs. Then assess the patient muscle tone or resistance to passive stretch. Flex and extend the patient's finger, wrist, elbow, and put the shoulder through a moderate rotation. Next, testing the patient's resistance in both hands. Also, testing for flexion of the biceps muscle and extension of the triceps muscle. Also, test for flexion and extension of the patient's wrist. Next, ask the patient to turn his palm down and spread his fingers. Check for abduction. Next, apposition of the thumb. Next, examination of the motor system of lower extremities. Assess the muscle tone in the legs, flex and extend the patient's knee and ankle on each legs. Note the patient's resistance to your movements. Next, check for hip abduction. Also check for hip adduction. Next, supporting the patient's knee and flexion and asking him to straighten the leg against your hand. And also assess the knee flexion.